Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to clean my GT40 inside the stub in our wash bay using Apex cleaning products.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan and this is the stub, and this is my GT40 that I've owned for, well, only about a week or two now. But we just took it on a big drive this last weekend and it's all dirty, so I want to do a nice wash and clean and sort of detail. I'm not really all that like super into this stuff, I'll admit it. Like, I'm not the world's best cleaner, so I'm sure lots of you will have complaints about how I clean my car, but well, just deal with it, okay? But what I really am excited about is we're gonna clean it inside the stub. So we're gonna be able to pull this curtain around, contain all the water mess, and well, we've got Apex cleaning products. So let me show you all the different products that we're gonna use today, or at least some of the ones that we have. And well, let's get cleaning because this thing needs to be shiny and it's pretty filthy right now. So the cool thing about Apex is they are made right here in Texas. So we're super happy to have them, and we sell their products on our website, normalguysupercar.com, so check it out. But we have the full array of all of their products. So we have some all-purpose cleaner, waterless wash, quick detailer, wheel cleaner, glass cleaner, tire shine, spray and seal, more quick detailer. It's a different flavor, I guess you want to say. Interior detailer, interior and leather cleaner, RTC, so it's rubber and trim conditioner, leather care, and then, well, I just have an extra bottle of quick detailer because we use that stuff a lot. We also have their car wash stuff in full concentration in the gallon container. We put some of that already in our foam cannon, so we're gonna be using that. Towels and everything, and we got the wheel scrub brushes, we've got the little interior brushes, we've got little applicator pads, and of course we have our bucket with the grit guard. I'm also going to be using deionized water, so I've got a big deionization unit right here, so that feeds our pressure washer. So the water system goes over here to the pressure washer. The pressure washer will have deionized water, so when we spray off the car it won't get any water spots. And also hiding down there we have an air cannon, so we'll be able to blow dry this thing and we won't have water all over the place, and it actually saves from having to use a ton of towels. So one thing that sucks about cleaning this car, I already kind of learned the hard way, is, well, it's a race car, so water gets in all sorts of spots that you don't necessarily want it to do. We're gonna start off with removing all of the carpets, because when I washed it last time, all the carpets got drenched. So we're gonna pull these off and we're gonna set them over here for now, and we'll put them back in later. Same thing with the floor carpets, because, well, yeah, this vent actually drips water right here out of here, so that kind of sucked. I got wet last time, and then the floorboards end up getting wet as well. I think from that front air scoop, it just kind of, it's a air vent, and then the air just kind of comes in. It's kind of annoying, but you know, race car, because race car. Also, another weird thing is there's no drain hole on this shelf, so water that comes in right here goes whee in here, does not drain out, so you have to kind of flip up the clamshell and soak up all that water and get it out of there. So like I said, this car is actually kind of a pain in the ass to clean, but we'll do our best. We'll make this thing shiny. So there is one thing that's a little challenging about this curtain, which is it weighs probably about like 60 or 70 pounds. It is very dense, like high density, super indestructible material. So when you're pulling it, you gotta kind of do it in stages like this. Like, unfortunately, you just can't like grab one side of it and just rip it around. You gotta kind of keep working its way out. But that's a small price to pay. There we go. And we'll just work it all the way around. All right, we're nice and tucked in, all set, ready to start spraying some stuff. It's pretty cool. It actually changed the acoustics. I can hear it bouncing off the walls and everything. It's kind of strange being in here. All right, we're gonna start off with the Apex car shampoo. We've got some loaded up in my bucket with my grit guard. So ooh, we're all set with that. And we also have it in my foam cannon. So we're gonna first just rinse it down with the pressure washer, get off all the bugs and stuff. Do the foam cannon, give it a good scrub, rinse, and then we're gonna blow dry with the air cannon, and then we got nice towels to dry it off and everything. So all right, here we go, YouTube. Let's clean some stuff. Okay, YouTube, she's all washed and dried. There's a few things that suck about washing this car. Number one, you got some of these gaskets that are, well, letting in a little bit of water. So I need to unscrew that and get that water out of there. Otherwise, I'm gonna have a bunch of water spots. Same thing with this. I think these ones just need to be tightened up a bit. The other thing is water kind of comes in through these seals. Water comes in through this vent. And then there's floor vents, and the water comes in through those floor vents. Again, this is supposed to be like race car stuff. They didn't really care about that sort of thing. So what sucks is like the floorboard down there gets a little bit wet, so you definitely gotta dry it out. So I'm gonna actually take the vacuum and kind of suck some of that water out of there with the wet dry vac and make it a little bit drier. The good news is the curtain worked fantastic. Kept all the water in this area. You can see no water got out, no water got on these cars, and our little trough right here worked pretty well. You can see there's still water here, and you basically, I'll show you, we just squeegee it out. It works really quite well. So just take this squeegee, and you gotta be a little bit slow because the lip is not huge on that little piece, but watch. Just run it down, see the water kind of gathering. It's all dirty water, and then just give it a nice push, and it's out. And we'll just do this a couple more times, then run some fans, and this area will be nice and dry and clean. That works really, really well. This is so cool. So I'm gonna pop off these little plexiglass pieces so I can clean the inside of that. And then for the window, I think I might pop them off, or at least just retighten them a little, because I don't think there is there is no gasket there. It's literally just plastic. Maybe I need to go get a gasket is what I need to do. That would probably help this seal up better. Like this has a gasket, that's like foam. It needs to be like rubber. Anyone happen to have a Ford GT and know a solution to that? I think it literally just needs a piece of rubber that gets squished in there, and that would seal it up better. All right, YouTube, so did some wheel cleaner, got the tire shine stuff. There's not a whole lot to do about the interior of this car because it's all Alcantara, but I did vacuum everything, just kind of give it a quick once over. So it's looking pretty nice and shiny and clean, and I'm pretty content with this. I think I'm gonna let it be. I've actually got a thing I'm gonna take it to on Wednesday, and then there's actually another event this coming weekend. So hooray, I actually get to start participating in events with a car again. It's the first time in months I've been able to do that. So super excited to be able to do that. We'll be taking this thing out, driving around, putting some miles on it, and enjoying the hell out of this thing. Can't wait. So if you're looking to resupply all of your car cleaning products, we do sell Apex stuff on our website, so go check out normalguysupercar.com. It's in the garage section, car detailing section, something like that. Hook yourself up with the NGS 10. It takes off 10% all of the Apex products, but you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy this beast and enjoy this absolutely beautiful day out. I hope you guys are having a good one. So we'll see you in the next video. It's gonna be sweet.